Doctor of Heart, cardiologists. Doctor of Skin, dermatologist. Doctor of Bone, orthopedic. Doctor of Brain, neurologist. Doctor of Child, pediatrician. Doctor of Eyes, ophthalmologists. Doctor of Teeth, dentist. Doctor of Kidney, nephrologist. Doctor of Surgery, surgeons. Doctor of Cancer, oncologist. Doctor of Mind, psychiatrist. Doctor of Liver, hepatologist. Doctor of Women, gynecologist. Doctor of Stomach, gastroenterologist. Doctor of Ears, otolaryngologist. Doctor of Lungs, pulmonologist. And Doctor of Animals, veterinarian.